Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free of cost software for video convert, rotate, cut, add subtitle and remove audio from the video. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open any web browser and you need to visit to this website. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and log into this website. Once you visit to this website, you can see its web page. So here you can see application name is Handbrake. So this software is totally free of cost and it's available for almost many platforms. So you can see here by clicking on other platforms, this software is available for Mac OS, even for Windows and even for Linux computers. So if you're using any one of this operating system in your computer or laptops, then you can use this Handbrake software totally free of cost. So firstly, you download and install it in your respective computer. So you download and install it. So after installing, what you need to do, just open or run the software. So on opening the software, you will be seen such kind of user interface. So what you need to do, you need to drop a file here, that is the video file. So let me drop here one video file. So here I have one video file. Just let me show you a preview. So it's a video file. So here you can see, so let me introduce everything in a quick format. So when you see here presets, then you can select the different formats like full HD, 720p, even low quality you can do like 480p, even for web customizations, even for device like Android device, Apple device. There's lots of, even for PlayStations, Chromecast, Xbox, you have a lots of choice presets. You can see even for MKB files, even for productions, maximum and full HD. And even you can see here, these are all for the formats, and you can see here the formats available for you is MP4, MKB and WebMP. And even you can web optimize by selecting this web optimize. And even if you have an iPod, that is the Apple iPod, then you can select these options too. So this is all about the video converting steps. Now to rotate, what you need to do, say right now I have a proper alignment of my video, but if you want to rotate a video which is not in the proper alignment, so you can go to this filters. Here you can see, now in the filters, just move down to the bottom. Now you can see here rotate. Now you can select 90 degree, 180 and 270, or you can just use the flip. You can just flip the video also, but just you want to rotate, then say your video is rotated 180 degree, so you want to put in the proper alignment, just click on 180. So just move back to the summary. So here you can see my video has been rotated with 180 degree. So you can see here in the filter again, so just I'll click in 0 as my video alignment is in the proper manner. So you can see in this way, by going on the filters, then by going in the bottom, then you can change the alignment order and you can rotate the video. So this is all about rotate. Now how you can cut a video, say you want to cut some section of video. So for this, you can see here in the top it's written an angle, right? And after that is your chapter. So just in the chapter, just select a second, and just now the video here, my video full length is just 9 seconds. So you can just add in the length and you can decrease the length of the video like this, and you can just start encoding to save your cut video. But right now I'm not doing this one, so in this way you can cut the video portions. So this is all about cut. And now how you can add a subtitles, you can see here bottom subtitles. So here how you can do, just add a track, add new track. You can just add a new track, or you can import subtitle. Here the respective supported files like .srt, .ssa and .ass. So you need to have this kind of file and you need to select that file, and you need to click on open to add your respective subtitles. And now the last but not the least, to remove audio from a video. So for this, what you need to do is, you can see here audio, just select this option. Now you can see here one file. Here you can see one file, this file. So I have audio included in this video. So what you need to do to remove, you can see here on the corner a cross button. As you can see here, cross button, just you need to click on it to remove the audio, just like this. So in this way you can remove audio from a video too, using this useful software called Handbrake. So you can do a lots of things using this free of cost software named as Handbrake. You can convert any video, you can rotate a video, you can add subtitles, you can remove audio from video, and you can even trim or cut the video portions using this free of cost software. So if you never known about this very useful free of cost software Handbrake, then download it today. And a good thing is that it's available for Mac, Windows and Linux computers. So if you're using any one of them, then download it today. And if you are new to this video tutorial, please click on the subscribe button, and if you like this video tutorial, please click on the thumbs like button. And lastly, thanks for watching.